All right, thank you so much. The next person is Miss Rhonda Rosenberg. MCOS is one of our funding partners. They have sponsored so many projects that we've done as a community, and there is none of them that Rhonda was not behind. So she's also participated in all our events. Every time we've invited her, MCOS, she's found time to come. So the community looked at you and what you've been doing and thought that you should be recognized tonight as Igbo in Saskatchewan. Mrs. Grace.
While we are getting Rhonda decorated here, if I can get the people standing at the back to please be seated, because our next dance will actually leave the hallways, the aisles, I should say, while they're dancing. So if you're standing, please, can you find a seat? Especially the people at the back, in the middle, on the sides. If you're standing, please be seated. Thank you. A big round of applause again for Rhonda. Thank you so much, Rhonda, for all your support throughout the years. And just for the records, just in case you're wondering, we have the Honorable Rab Goodale with his Ishagu and his necklace, and that's because he was actually honored as Enyi Igbo in 2007. A big round of applause again for His Excellency, Honorable Rab Goodale. At this time, I would like to call on our next dance, the Ada Eze dance group.